Hello lovely people, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Bereal App cache. So without any further delays, let's dive right into this video. Step 1. Open Settings. At first, you just simply have to click to your setting app and shortly after then, click to the app settings in your settings. Step 2. Select Bereal in your apps. After going to the app settings, you can see all the apps that you have installed. You just simply have to select Bereal in here, and after going to Bereal, you just simply have to select storage option here. Step 3. Clear the cache. After selecting the storage option, you can see clear data and clear cache option here. If you just want to clear cache, you have to tap to this clear cache button, and if you want to clear all the datas, you have to select this clear data button. I hope this video helped you. If yes, make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel for more future contents like this. We will meet in another video. Till then, keep loving the tech.